Hello, my name is Michael Hartman, and I'm a licensed mental health counselor. It's good to have you here today. In today's video, we're going to be going over progressive muscle relaxation. You'll be doing progressive muscle relaxation when you want to relax your body and vis-a-vis relax your mind. So there are three components. One, we're going to be doing some deep breathing. Two, we're going to try to be mindful and aware of how our body feels while we're doing the exercise. And three, we're going to tense and relax our body in an organized and sequential way. We're going to be doing a stomach to head progressive muscle relaxation. And if you'd like the whole full body experience, you can find full body progressive muscle relaxation with just a quick YouTube search. That starts with your toes all the way up to your head. So, let's put it all together and get started. First, I invite you to get comfortable in your seat. You don't have to sit up super straight, but just with your back kind of straight, not overly tensed. Next, we're going to start off with some deep breathing by breathing in through our nose, holding it, and out slowly. We're setting up the stage right now. Breathe in again, hold it, and out slowly. By taking these deep breaths, we're making space for this exercise. We're separating what was before and what's going to happen now. So again, 2 more deep breaths. Breathe in nice and slow. Hold and out. And just breathe in one more time in through your nose. Hold and out. Return back to a comfortable breathing pattern and notice how your body feels now since you've taken those 4 deep breaths with me. Are you feeling relaxed already? Are you still fighting some tension? Either way, you're doing a great job. Each session of progressive muscle relaxation can be different. Sometimes we're holding on to more stress, sometimes we're holding on to less. So first, we're going to start by tensing up our stomachs. Mine is out of frame. But start by holding in your stomach, holding it nice and tight, sucking that stomach in. We're going to hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax the stomach. Very good. We're going to do that one more time for 5 seconds. Hold in the stomach. Feel the tension. Be mindful of it. 2, 1, and release. And notice what it feels like to relax the stomach. Try to describe it in your mind. Is it relaxing? Is it stress relieving? Now, we're going to tighten our chest. So, tighten your chest muscles by pushing your chest together, feeling the tension in it. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let go. Notice what it feels like in the change from tense to relaxed. Feel that relaxation. And again, we're going to tighten up our chest. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're going to let go. I'm starting to feel relaxed in my whole torso. I definitely like that feeling of relaxation more than the tense. And now we're going to do our shoulders. So move our shoulders up to our neck and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and we're going to release it. Notice the relaxation coming into your shoulders. And again, shoulders up to your ears. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring it down. Very good. I'm noticing a bit of perspiration on my face. I didn't expect that. Now, we're going to tighten up our hands, make fists, and hold them nice and strong for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go of that tension. Let the hands relax. Wiggle them a bit. And we're going to do that one more time. Make fists. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Good job. Now we're going to do our biceps. We're going to curl up our biceps and hold them nice and tight for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let go. I'm noticing the muscles getting tight in my biceps and also my clothes getting tight around my arms. It feels especially good to let go of that tension. Here we go for our last set on the arms. Curl up for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All done with the arms. Invite relaxation back into the arms, and if your chair has armrests, you can put that down. Next and lastly, we're going to tighten up the face. And this may look like a silly face, and if you're not in private, you can skip this part of the exercise. We're going to tighten up our face by squishing it all together. 3, 2, 1, and release. Invite relaxation into the face. And our last bit of the exercise, tighten up the face. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Do a bit of a body scan from your head down to your stomach and notice the sensations you feel now after doing this exercise. I notice my arms, my stomach, my face, they're all a little bit heavy and I feel quite a bit relaxed. This exercise is very, very good for reducing all the tension we hold in our body. Our body is the physical place where our emotions manifest. So by relaxing the body, we're going to relax our emotions in turn. I thank you very much for joining me in this activity. You did a great job today. And again, my name is Michael Hartman, licensed mental health counselor. I hope you have a great day. Bye now.